So this one is going to show you how to do a function. So this programming tutorial will kind of show the difference between the two. If I just show you quickly, what we did in our last video is we created a procedure that just outputs on the screen your full name if you pass in a parameter. Now, let me hashtag this out and show you the difference now as one more recap. Okay, so I'll leave that up there. This time we're doing a function, all right? What I'm going to do is create a function that just adds two numbers together. So we're going to say adding numbers, and we're going to pass in two parameters. We've got number 1 and number 2, and we're going to say here total equals num1 plus num2, and this time we are returning the total. All right, so you'll notice I'm not doing anything specific with it. Now, what I need to do is go input. We're going to get our num1 equals input. What is your first number? Num2 equals input. What is your second number? Now, you still need to cast. It's still important to make sure you got the right data type because I can't add two strings together. So I am casting this statement so that those inputs appear as numbers, all right? Now, to use this function, if I was to say adding numbers and pass in num1 and num2, all right, you'll notice that it doesn't actually do anything with it. So if I run this and say 4 and 4, nothing has happened. Although it's running and it's returned a value, I've not stored what it's returned into anything. So I'm going to say result equals, so whenever that function is run, whatever was returned would be stored. So this is almost like seeing this as a bucket to store everything in. Everything that is returned is now stored and then assigned the variable result. Now, if I went print and print out result, you will see that the result of adding those numbers, 5 and 4, would be 9. So that's a simple function that adds the parameters that are passed in together and returns the value. Okay.